battery and electric vehicle technology. Held in the vibrant city of Stuttgart from June 3 to 5, this year's event brought together over 21,000 professionals and more than 1,100 exhibitors from across the globe. It wasn't just an exhibition. It was a living, breathing hub of knowledge, partnerships, and the technologies shaping our electrified future. The scale of the event was incredible. Over 72,000 square meters of exhibition space hosted companies covering every link in the battery supply chain, from raw materials and component manufacturers to advanced battery management systems and recycling technologies. Whether you're an engineer pushing the boundaries of lithium-ion efficiency, a startup exploring solid-state cells, or a global OEM looking for strategic suppliers, this was the place to be. Innovation was everywhere. We saw next-gen solid-state battery prototypes that promise higher energy density and safety. High-speed, fully automated cell production lines drew crowds with their precision and speed. One standout featured a modular battery pack with built-in AI for predictive maintenance, helping to extend the lifecycle and reliability of energy storage systems. Major industry players like CATL, Siemens, and BASF shared space with startups introducing bold ideas that just might define tomorrow's energy landscape. Beyond the products, the experience was enriched by live demos and expert-led sessions. Robots assembling battery cells in real time, EV fast charging stations in action, and software visualizations of battery performance kept audiences engaged. Over 90 technical talks and panels covered the industry's most pressing topics, from battery circularity and supply chain digitization to evolving European energy policies. You didn't just hear about the future here. You saw it in motion and shook hands with the people building it. But what really set the battery show apart was the opportunity for meaningful connection. It wasn't just about tech, it was about people and collaboration. Whether you were looking to source new materials, explore joint R&D opportunities, or identify go-to-market partners, the networking was unmatched. Our own team held productive conversations with innovative suppliers and fellow researchers that led to the early stages of a cross-border pilot project, something that would have taken months through traditional outreach. We also uncovered exciting software solutions for real-time cell monitoring, discovered new recyclable materials being tested at scale, and found fresh approaches to battery reuse that could lower environmental impact while increasing system lifespan. In just 3 days, we accelerated what could have taken half a year of research, meetings, and follow-ups. A few clear trends stood out across the show. First, the race to commercialize solid-state battery tech is intensifying. Second, sustainability is now central, with battery recycling, reuse, and second-life applications gaining real traction. Third, manufacturing is going smarter and faster with automation, digital twins, and robotics taking the spotlight. And finally, the integration of AI, IoT, and cloud platforms into battery systems is transforming how we monitor, maintain, and optimize energy storage. If you missed this year's event, don't worry, Battery Show Europe returns to Stuttgart from June 9 to 11, 2026. And trust us, this is one event you don't want to miss. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, business leader, policymaker, or investor, the Battery Show delivers real insight, valuable connections, and a front-row seat to the energy transition. If you found this video insightful or inspiring, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas, questions, or plans for the next Battery Show. Let's stay connected, keep learning, and build the future of energy together.